guys, it's Nikki with Simply Home by Nikki. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and welcome if you're new. Today's going to be an unboxing of some Happy Mail that I received. I did a swap with a friend of mine. We did an embellishment box swap with the theme of our favorite colors. So she sent me a swatch of her favorite colors, and I sent her a swatch of my favorite colors. And I will insert my favorite colors here so you can see their melons and navies and greens. Just real, I don't even know, beachy vibes maybe, I'm not exactly sure. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. So I did just cut it open, and that's it. Let's get these out, get the box out of the way. Okay, so first she reused this packaging, which is so clever. And her and I are both into vintage things, so I can see she already added a couple of vintage things. She's got some tickets in here, which I absolutely love. And she did one segment of this packaging with each color, each of the favorite colors that were on that swatch. So that's really clever. I love that. Just got it held together with some washi tape. Okay, so we'll start with the green color, kind of an aqua green. And that is the tickets, and she wrapped that with embroidery floss. That's so cute. A button, 2 buttons in that color. Some tissue paper. And then some die cuts. I don't have a die cut machine. I have a Cricut. I don't have like a Sizzix or a Punch, so I love these. Thank you so much for sending those. Anytime I can get things punched out, I will take it until I get mine. In the blue, again, some embellishment pieces. So cute. And some more leaves. Those are beautiful fall colors together, that navy with that green. I'll definitely be using those. Oh, thank you so much. That's so cute. And some more tags for like junk journals. Definitely my thing. Oh, she's got a altered tickets here, a stamp, and some more leaves. I'm so excited about these punched out leaves. Thank you, thank you. And some more ephemera. Oh, I love all of this. Here she's got some of the kind of melony orange colored leaves. Another little stamp, some buttons, and just some little ephemera pieces. And then last in the gray is a few more leaves, a few more embellishment pieces. That domino is really cute. A tag, 2 dominoes, some leaf cutouts, a little milk cap, and a little koala. So cute. Thank you. I love that. You could have just sent me that and I would have been happy. Next we have a little mint colored box. Oh, it's a cute little envelope. That's adorable. Open that up. Oh, she sent me felt flowers. Okay guys, I've been wanting to make these. I saw some wreaths done with these felt flowers, and I don't have a punch machine, and I know my Cricut is not going to cut out felt. So I've been eyeing these up. Oh, they're so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. Oh, I want to get them all out. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. Look at that. That looks like a mum. Oh my gosh. Oh, I am so excited about these. The colors are just perfect. Oh, and she's got felt balls in there. Oh, wow. And the leaves. Oh my gosh. I am just dying over these. I am so excited. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, I can't wait to make something with this. All right. And lastly, oh, I can't get over this. I'm so excited about those felt flowers. Lastly, this is the embellishment binder. She wrapped it in sewing tissue, which is so cute. Oh, look at that. How pretty is that? Oh, she's got a charm on here. That's really cute. Look at the pumpkin and the rose. Oh, and I've loved these. I've seen these. Did you make this? That is so pretty. Oh, and these have little gems on the end of it. See that? It's so neat. And my name's on it. Oh, this is so, so pretty. Oh, look at that. Like a shaker card and a little bracelet. Oh, it's a postcard. Oh, how cute is that? So it's a vintage postcard with sequins in it to make like a little shaker. Adorable. And some bingo cards. These are great for junk journals. I'll definitely be using these. I've never made a embellishment binder before. I really want to try this. Oh, look at this. Those are so cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to use these in a planner. Oh, I love everything. That is adorable. So that wraps all the way around to hold these in. Then she's got washi samples here. Oh, and look at this, like a vintage guest check. A little mini card, a vintage card. So cute. Oh, and look at, you guys, can you see the sewing she did around the edges? That's so pretty. Oh, you did such a great job. Oh, and the feathers. I saw she was doing a feather swap on one of the Facebook groups, so she must have a feather punch. Oh my gosh, those are so neat. And look at that, is all the colors right there that were in my favorites. Oh, these will be so neat. Oh, I can't wait. So many uses for those. Oh, and a little sequin mix. Look at that. Did you make all of these? Oh my gosh, did you make all of those? And just repackage the paper? How did you do that? You didn't buy them like this. Oh my gosh, if you repackage these, that is the cleverest idea ever. Look at that. So the first one is aquas and teals and greens. Oh, and there's seed beads in there along with sequins. That is so cute. Oh, and look at the stars on the back. This one is the oranges and the peach and melons. Again, there's more leaves in there. Oh, wow, there's so many pretty little sequins. All different colors. I know these gold ones are from Hobby Lobby. I have teal ones that are the same design. Oh, and here's navies and greens as well. Oh my gosh, look at all the multicolored seed beads. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so clever. If you repackage this, I think that is the most clever idea ever. You'll have to let me know. And if you bought it like this, where did you get it? Because these colors are perfect. I need to know. Oh, I love all these vintage cards like this. And here she has a pocket just stuffed with ephemera. What a clever idea to include the paint swatches. That is perfect. I love that idea. I'm definitely going to be using that. Oh, and vintage seed packets. I can tell that she's got things in here, so I'm going to take a peek. Oh my goodness, look at that. Some punched out hearts. Those are so cute. More tickets. I love vintage tickets. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love that. Some more ephemera. Oh wow, look at that. Perfect colors on there. And that's a vintage postcard as well. Together later. Oh, and here is the back of the album. She's got it covered with fabric. That is so neat. That is really cool. Oh, and these fell out. All right, So that is it, guys. I am totally spoiled. I absolutely love everything she sent. She sent me so many things. I definitely did not send her this much. I appreciate it all. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.